Most leaders understand that delegation is the key to unleashing rapid growth, but some leaders only delegate to employees within their own organizations. That's limiting. They could achieve so much more with bigger, broader delegation strategies. That's why ecosystems are so important in companies. An insurance business process outsourcing partner should be a part of your company's ecosystem and can provide you with the flexibility and scalability you need to quickly capture in the new market opportunities. Let's take a look at these 10 business opportunities, all made possible by a quality insurance BPO partner. The very first one is support and expand policyholder services. Modern consumers have a big customer service expectations, and insurance is no exception. Your policyholders expect to reach customer service representatives through multiple channels anytime, 24/7. They expect services that both friendly and acknowledgeable and tailored to them. And they expect fast service regardless of the current call volume. An insurance BPO can help by providing scalable customer support that follows your company's script and branding. These services can be used to back up your team during high volume times, to support certain lines of businesses, or roll out new products. The second one is deliver exceptional claim services. When policyholder reports a claim, they are already having a bad day. It is one of the few live interactions carriers have with their policyholders. If they are put on hold for a long time, and if they get transferred from representative to another representative, that day is going to be really worse for them. An insurance BPO partner can provide back office services and 24/7 support you need for claim processing. When you pick a BPO partner with expertise in insurance claims, you can rest easy knowing that each claim is getting off to a good start. In addition to providing exceptional service, your insurance BPO partner should be able to verify coverage, triage claims, and notify adjusters. The third one is collect premiums with insurance BPO support. Every month when premium payments comes in, they must be processed quickly and accurately, and any problems or delays could result in costly mistakes, dissatisfied customers, or inaccurate accounting. A BPM partner can help with secure, compliant premium collection. They can also help with outbound payments such as agent commission checks, and these BPO support services, premium collection is effortless. Fourth point is policy servicing and underwriting. Sometimes your underwriting team needs help. Maybe it's just processing endorsements, supporting special projects, or managing a certain line of new businesses. Regardless of these needs, a strong insurance BPO service provider can help you with all these services. A BPO partner that specializes in insurance can even provide licensed team members when needed. Look for a BPO partner with multi-line experience that can be available on short notice. Process new business renewals, endorsements, and cancellations. Update electronic and paper records. Manage short-term projects and complete book rollovers. Manage any and all of your underwriting support through insurance BPMs. If you're looking to outsource some of the functions to a reliable contact center, I recommend you to consider Lizen BPM based in India. Lizen BPM is an outsourcing company based in Bangalore and operations in Dharwad, Karnataka. Dharwad is also known as the Education Center of Karnataka, which provides much needed talent pool for the organizations. Lizen BPM have the vision to revolutionize the way businesses interact with their customers with state-of-the-art inbound and outbound contact center services. If you want to make your business profitable by acquiring new clients and offering the best-in-class customer support, then get in touch with Lizen BPM now and visit their website at www.lizenbpm.com.